let's get straight to the point. Here's how to get that natural pink glow. Way 1. Ice rub for instant glow. Our first way is ice rubbing. And yes, it really works. Ice helps tighten pores, reduce puffiness, and boost blood circulation, which instantly gives your skin a pink, fresh glow. How to do it? Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth or tissue. Gently rub it on your face in circular motions for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Focus on your cheeks, jawline, and under-eye area. Ice recipes you can try. Plain water, ice to refresh and tighten pores. Rose water ice to calm the skin and add freshness. Tomato ice to brighten and boost a natural pink glow. Always be gentle and never rub ice directly on bare skin for too long. Way 2. DIY face mask for pink glow. The second way is using a natural face mask that nourishes your skin. Recipe 1. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Apply it evenly on your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. This mask helps hydrate your skin and brings a soft, healthy glow. Recipe 2. Mix 1 teaspoon of graham flour with a pinch of turmeric and add milk or rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply, let it dry slightly, and wash off gently. Use face masks 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Way 3. Daily habits for a natural pink glow. The third way is something most people forget. Daily habits. Drink enough water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated. Eat fruits and vegetables, especially ones rich in vitamins. Get proper sleep so your skin can repair itself. And don't forget, gentle skincare and consistency matter more than anything. And that's it. 3 easy ways to get that natural pink glow. Remember, glowing skin isn't about changing yourself. It's about taking care of your skin and being patient with the process. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple glow-up tips. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep glowing naturally.